In this video, I'm going to show how to make simple adjustments to the model imported from a step file. In my step file, there are two coils, but I only need one of them for my simulation. I'll also need to adjust the part inside the remaining coil to match with the coil. In order to assess the model dimensions, I'll start by making the axis visible. Next, I open the model view and start editing the model by clicking the Edit Model button. First, I'm going to get rid of the unnecessary parts. I'll add a remove operation, name it properly, and target the coil and the cylinder on the right by clicking them. The volume tags are listed in the target selection in the remove operation. I click Apply to confirm the selection and click the Build button next to the remove operation in the geometry elements list. This builds the geometry element operations and removes the extraneous coil and the cylinder. Now I need to move the cylinder up a bit to make it match with the coil. I add a translate operation, give it a proper name, and target the cylinder inside the coil. I set the z-axis displacement to 0.02 and click the Apply button to confirm the modifications to the operation. Finally, I built the translation operation in the model by clicking the Build button. I make sure that the model looks correct and click the Confirm Model Changes button in order to commit the changes to the CAD model. And so, we have removed the unnecessary volumes and adjusted the position of the remaining ones.